वेलकम बैक टू द वेलनेस शो। जी हाँ, इस वक्त हम बात करेंगे, इस सेगमेंट में हम जो बात करेंगे वो होगी हार्ट यूके की फंड रेजिंग कैसे होती है। और यहाँ पे ईमेल आप देख सकते हैं fundraising@heartuk.org.uk। इसको आप नोट कीजिए और हम आपको बताएंगे कि फंड रेजिंग जो है वो क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है हार्ट यूके के लिए और हम सब के लिए जो है वो उससे क्या फ़ायदा हो सकता है। हमारे साथ हमारी गेस्ट हैं हु इज़ द फंड रेजिंग मैनेजर for Heart UK, the cholesterol charity. Let's welcome her, Charlotte Hort. Thank you very much for joining us, Charlotte.
Thank you.
Yeah, we're talking about today. You said that it's a cholesterol month. Next month is the cholesterol month. Yes.
Yes.
Can you tell us how do you celebrate it?
Well, it's National Cholesterol Month next month, which is October. And we're aiming to raise £50,000. And obviously, as Baldish said, we don't get any government funding. So obviously something like National Cholesterol Month, where it's a month devoted to raising awareness, is really crucial for the charity, because we rely on the donations from people who are actually coming or really sponsoring the whole event.
So how do you spend the money? I mean, I know that the fundraising is quite important, as you said. So how do you spend the money?
Well, the money raised really goes towards one of the key things is raising awareness, because as we know, cholesterol is a silent killer. And all too often, sadly, in the office we do hear about some terribly sad stories of people who have had undiagnosed high cholesterol and unfortunately have died from that complication. So our key remit is, not, as well as raising funds during National Cholesterol Month, is to raise that awareness, because it you know, as I say, it is a silent killer and many people don't know that they've got
I mean,
cholesterol.
I think I just want to add here कि one of the most saddest things is children. जो बच्चे होते हैं उनको ये बीमारी हो सकती है, and the problem is जब parents को पता लगता है उनको high cholesterol, वो अपने डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, वो बोलते हैं okay, fine, take this. लेकिन अगर आपकी cholesterol above a certain level होती है, it may be familial, it may be hereditary, which means आपके जो बच्चे हैं उनको भी ये हो सकती है। हमारे हार्ट यूके में हमको इतनी कॉल्स आती हैं जो families जो हैं उनको the families are affected and sadly हमारे केसेस ऐसे भी हैं जो क्योंकि बच्चों को स्क्रीन नहीं किया गया था। एक तो 12 साल की बच्ची थी and sadly she dropped dead in the playground. So ऐसी केसेस और भी हैं, लेकिन हम we don't want to upset anybody, लेकिन कहना ये चाहते हैं कि ये जो funds हम raise करते हैं, ये इस main मकसद है to raise awareness कि अगर आपको पता है आप cholesterol है, आप हमको फ़ोन कीजिए, क्योंकि हमारी लाइंस में all the experts हैं जो आपको बता सकते हैं आगे का स्टेप कौन सा लेना है।
बिल्कुल। So how can people get involved in this National Cholesterol Month?
Well, the whole theme of the month really is to get people to be more active, because obviously that promotes your good level of cholesterol. So that's a key message that we want to get across. So we've actually come up with a range of challenges which are available on our website, or else with that fundraising email, people can contact me and I can
get physically active. This is what you're saying. Yeah.
And get sponsored for it as well.
Yeah.
So, for example, there's 10 of us at Heart UK, a lot of part-time, but we've all clubbed together and we're going to be walking a virtual walk 400 miles along the Great Wall of China and asking people to sponsor us. So the idea is to get active, get out there and get sponsored.
Okay, we have a caller with us now. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, वैसे मुझे आपसे पूछना था कि हार्ट यूके को अगर हम डोनेट करना चाहें तो ये ऑनलाइन है या टेलीफोन के जरिए है, किस तरह डोनेट किया जा सकता है?
She's asking how basically thank you very much आपके कॉल के लिए। आप हमें ऑनलाइन डोनेट कर सकते हैं, आप फ़ोन करके भी डोनेट कर सकते हैं। ऑनलाइन जो है वो है www.heartuk.org, हमारी वेबसाइट के थ्रू आपको ऑनलाइन जो फंड रेजिंग की है वहाँ पर या शार्लेट से बात करके आप डोनेट कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
और ये भी है कि आप ये लिखें अगर आप जब भेजें कि आपने प्रोग्राम देखा है वेलनेस शो के थ्रू, आपको मालूम हुआ है, तो आई थिंक इससे भी ज़्यादा पता चलेगा।
यहाँ पर ये भी कहना चाहूँगी कि अगर आप खुद कुछ करना चाहते हैं फंड रेजिंग के लिए, जैसे कॉफ़ी मॉर्निंग रखना चाहते हैं, सो प्लीज़ गो अहेड, क्योंकि अगला महीना हमारे लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट
अब ये हमारा जो ईमेल भी आ रहा है कि fundraising@heartuk.org.uk, ये आप नोट कीजिए और इसमें आप बहुत से आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगी कि आप किस तरीके से फंड रेज कर सकते हैं। जी। So basically you're saying that physical activity which you are really promoting a lot through especially through this month, you know. So and marathon places this. So how people they can apply for that?
Well, again with the same email, we are have got charity places to run the marathon, and it is the world's greatest fundraising event, and it's a fantastic event. And if anyone out there is a keen runner and wants to find out further how they could actually help support the work of Heart UK by running in the marathon for us, then again, it's that same email. So I'd be very, very happy to talk to anyone who wanted to do that. Thank you.
यही कहना चाहूँगी कि जो मैराथन प्लेसेस है they're few and far between, especially जो लंदन मैराथन है, और हम very fortunate है as a charity कि हमको places allocate की जाती हैं, so हम runners ढूंढ रहे हैं। अगर आप फिटनेस फैनेटिक हैं या कोई भी चीज़, ज़रूरी नहीं आपको वो मैराथन सुपर टाइम में फिनिश करना है। It's just a question of getting involved or just helping us as a charity and also helping yourself to improve your fitness level.
Yeah, I mean, when they take part in the marathon, you know, how does it help you guys in raising funds?
Well, so I'll answer that. No, basically, we do, because there are charity places, we do actually ask people to sign a pledge form to raise £1,750 in terms of sponsorship. So that's actually for a place. That does seem quite a lot of money, but it is actually possible to get if you start early. And obviously, I'm here to help and guide people with their fundraising. And that money it's the largest fundraiser for Heart UK. We actually do make a substantial amount of money on our marathon places, so it's a very valued resource for us.
Yeah, the thing is, you know, it's a huge challenge nowadays in this economic conditions we are living in.
Yes.
To actually raise that kind of funding and get that kind of donations from people. I mean, many charities and so many. Yeah. So how is there any art to it? You know, how do you
I think
make a successful kind of fundraising event or fundraising?
Well, I think that there are various sort of like ways of doing it. I mean, my top tip would be keep things simple. And so if you are wanting to do some kind of fundraising, especially if you are at college or university or in the workplace, an easy thing to do is to actually have a dress down day. So you could actually have a red, go with a red bindi, or a red dupatta.
Dupatta, she was learning this all day yesterday.
And so, you know, you could say, come wearing red to represent Heart, you know, and everyone donates £1. And that's a very simple way of raising money, right through to more complicated ways of, and I think Baldish has mentioned this, to actually host a party or to have a dinner party and say, I'm going to do this for Heart UK. Perhaps look at some of the heart healthy recipes on our website. To get some inspiration.
मैंने काफ़ी हमारी एशियन कुकिंग की तौर से कोलेस्ट्रॉल लोअरिंग रेसिपीज़ की है हमारी वेबसाइट से। So अगर आप वो यूज़ करना चाहते हैं या अपनी आप की हेल्थी रेसिपी यूज़ करना चाहते हैं, having family dinners या social events, हमारे एशियंस में तो कितनी पार्टीज रखते हैं हम। Why don't make one of those parties as a fundraising event? कह के आपके गेस्ट को, so please welcome, but please can you donate £5 or £1, anything? You know, anything. It's the idea is हमने ये नहीं मानते कि आपको हजारों donate करने हैं. Just small, anything is of a great help as far as हमारी charity is concerned. Yeah.
So I'm saying these are the ways you can just be involved in donation process. But what else can people do? I mean, it's just that do they have to, if they, you know, like this lady who just called, do they have to go to the website only or the email address they will have, and then they just send a check or what?
Well,
cash check or because majority of people, you know, who will be calling us, they are not. Usually they are not very computer literate, I would say, you know, and they're not using computer as much.
Okay. So it's simple to do. Again, a check obviously would be fantastic, and thank you so much. And that checks need to be made payable to Heart UK. And again, if you look at the email me, that fundraising address comes through to me, and I will certainly be very happy to talk to you about that. Cash is not quite so good, but and obviously if online is a good way of doing it in terms of the Virgin Money and the Just Giving pages for sponsorship, but that's something else.
But I think जो भी देख रहे हैं, अगर आप कोई भी तरह की information चाहते हैं before donating or fundraising, please हमारे ऑफिस को फ़ोन कीजिए, शार्लेट से बात कीजिए, वो आपको बिल्कुल बताएंगी कि वो जो funds है, where we are spending them, where they're going. It's a very open system and there's no commitment. It's not कि अगर आपने एक बार देते हैं हम बार-बार आपको बोलेंगे please do this, please. ऐसी बात नहीं है. We welcome जो भी any small donation, large donation, anything from corporates, हमारे Asian कितने food companies हैं, कितनी हमारी businesses हैं, and we are hoping हमारे Asians जो हैं, we're a bit reluctant, हम चाहते नहीं, I mean maybe हम चाहते नहीं, we're not aware, लेकिन हार्ट डिजीज जो है डायबिटीज है इन एवरी फैमिली सो अगर आप थोड़ा सी भी हेल्प कर सकते हैं इन स्मॉल अमाउंट्स हमारी स्मॉल चैरिटी के लिए हम वही चीज़ आपको वापस देंगे in terms of education and saving lives basically.
In terms of raising awareness about these illnesses, जिससे बहुत लोगों को फायदा हो सकता है. लेकिन okay, we were talking about donation, financial donation. Right. Apart from that, how can people they get involved and help Heart UK?
Right.
Well, we have an ambassador program, and that really is because we are a small charity, and as I say, there's only 10 of us, and I think only 4 full-time people, so we cannot spread ourselves around the country. So the idea of an ambassador is to actually have pockets of people around the country who are going to help and support us. So the ambassadors can do anything from like going to receive a cheque presentation for us on our behalf, right through to perhaps contacting their MP to actually improve services, heart services in that area, right through to doing some fundraising for us and just being a general support. And they are very, very scattered. They're scattered all around the country. And, we'd welcome anyone who wanted to become an ambassador for us. And it's just someone who shares the same passion as we do about really raising the awareness of the dangers of high cholesterol and how we need to be saving more lives.
और ये ambassador की information भी है, ये भी हमारी website पे है. हमारे को packs भी हम देते हैं जो अगर आप interested हैं, हम आपको घर में ambassador pack का भेजेंगे. उसमें लिखा हुआ है कि what does it involve? And involvement का ये मतलब नहीं है कि आपको you have to commit for 5 hours or 10 hours. No, it's basically जो भी time आप हमको दे सकते हैं in whatever capacity, whether it's through fundraising or whether it's just generally being our representative. क्योंकि हम काफ़ी health events करते हैं all over the country, जैसे conferences में, ASDA में, supermarkets में, and because we can't travel all the.
So you need to
so
have
basically अगर हमको Manchester में कोई है या Birmingham में है, be really useful, and we talk to them. वो हमारी we have a ambassador day for them जो हम explain करते हैं और हम support देते हैं. Throughout the support is there from the Heart UK health team कि आपको कौन सी चीज़ें कहनी चाहिए. थोड़ी सी ट्रेनिंग भी देते हैं obviously because we want to make sure कि जो messages जा रहे हैं public के लिए they are what Heart UK wants, not what the newspaper is writing or हम चाहते हैं they should be clinically sound कि information should be correct and benefit the person.
Well, in your experience, I mean, people, do you think the people who have actually, whose families they might have suffered from heart or maybe cholesterol problems, are they the one who really take interest in these kinds of things much more than any person who has not been through those problems or those illnesses?
I would agree with that. I mean, there's obviously a big empathy with people who have got children with FH or people really who have actually managed to get their cholesterol down massively from a lifestyle point of view, realizing how they were putting their health at risk. So they've become ambassadors, and it really is a vital link for Heart UK to have these ambassadors because we're a small team and we cannot be everywhere. So they are of huge importance to us.
I mean, one of the things we do with the fundraising, जो पैसे मिलते हैं, is to have a helpline. जो helpline है हमारे Monday to Friday, and so we wouldn't be able to have that without the support.
और वैसे भी हम email address हम देते रहते हैं आपको अपने screen के ऊपर भी जो भी हमारा program होता है, तो email से भी अगर जो भी आपने बात करनी हो और जो भी आपने information लेनी हो वो आपको email से मिल सकती है. तो यही मैं आपसे कहूँगी कि यहाँ पे फिर दोबारा से से हम ये अपना ईमेल एड्रेस दे रहे हैं fundraising@heartuk.org.uk। इस पे आप कोई भी सवाल, जैसे इन्होंने जो भी बातें कही हैं वो आप पूछ सकते हैं। कोई छोटे मोटी थोड़ी भी आप जो है जैसे कहते हैं कतरा कतरा दरिया बनता है, आप छोटी छोटी चीज़ें, छोटे छोटे अमाउंट्स जो है वो दे सकते हैं। और थोड़ा सा भी अपना टाइम जो है अगर वो देना चाहें तो वो आप जो है इस दे सकते हैं। अब हम लेते हैं यहाँ पे छोटी सी ब्रेक, इनसे हम थैंक यू कहेंगे। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, वेरी मच, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर बीइंग विद अस, एंड विल सी यू आफ्टर दिस शॉर्ट ब्रेक।